Hello everybody, my name is Zac Boam and I'm a sales engineer with Imperva. I'm grateful for the opportunity that I have to speak with you today on the changes coming to PCI Compliance in March of 2025. Historically speaking, PCI Compliance has largely been concerned with protecting and securing cardholder data that's stored on the server side of your applications. And with these upcoming changes, there's a much larger emphasis on securing the client side of your applications where cardholder data may be entered. Let me walk you through in Imperva's console how we can help to automate the client-side protection necessary to meet those changing standards. As stated a moment ago, the changes coming to PCI Compliance in March of 2025 are largely focused on taking a step beyond the former requirements of securing cardholder data stored on the server side and into the realm of protecting cardholder data that is entered on the client side of your applications. In speaking with a large number of our customers, Imperva is aware that the first challenge in protecting the client side of your applications is gaining visibility into the client side of your applications. With just the touch of a button, Imperva has automated the capacity to discover any third-party services or service providers that are operating on the client side of your applications for any website that has been onboarded to our console. In this case, we'll take a look at the Google LLC provider, which is a very well-known provider for Imperva that we see across a large portion of our customer base. And we can take a deeper look into the services that Google is providing for my application. In this case, there's a marketing tracker, which is similar to Google Analytics, as well as several Google API services that are operating. But because these are well-known and because we have utilized our proprietary algorithms to identify and inspect these scripts, we have identified there's a very low level of risk associated with these individual services, as well as a low level of risk associated with Google as a whole. Now, in other circumstances, you may have services that run on your application that may be less well-known and don't carry the same reputation as Google does. And in that case, you may want to review those services to ensure their legitimacy and to make sure that their function is necessary and critical to the success of your application. In this case, we give you the option to filter based off of any of the risk levels that we may associate with that service provider and the individual services. Once they've been reviewed, they can be classified as either allowed or blocked. And one of the other features that we provide is the capacity for you to customize how you want to enforce your security posture here. In this instance, we can give you the capacity to set blocking and mitigation rules to any of these individual services or scripts based off of a multitude of criteria. So if you only wanted very low risk scripts associated with your application, then you can set this enforce mode to only enable low risk scripts or low risk service providers to operate on your client side, thus fulfilling the changes coming to PCI Compliance. Realistically, the point I'm trying to drive home is that PCI Compliance is a difficult topic, but Imperva has your back in the coming years as the PCI Compliance continues to change. Especially with these upcoming changes in protecting the client side, Imperva has a solution fully automated and fully built to help you secure your applications and to meet those ever-changing standards. I'm grateful for your time today. I'm grateful for the opportunity to have to speak with you. If you have any additional questions about how we can help you to accomplish your PCI standards and PCI goals, please reach out to your local Imperva representative. Thank you very much for your time and have a good day.